Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on Garry's Mod. First, launch the game from your Steam library. Once it loads, you will see the main menu. Here, you can choose to start a new single-player game or browse for multiplayer servers. Selecting Find Multiplayer Game opens the server browser, where you can explore various community-hosted experiences. It is the first step to countless hours of fun. Garry's Mod is renowned for its vast array of community-created game modes. These modes fundamentally change how you play, offering unique objectives and experiences. You can find everything from intense role-playing scenarios to casual sandbox building. The server browser allows you to filter by game mode, helping you discover new ways to play and connect with other players who share your interests. To fully enjoy many game modes, you will often need to download additional content. This usually comes in the form of add-ons from the Steam Workshop. When you attempt to join a server, it will often prompt you to download any missing items. Make sure to subscribe to these required add-ons beforehand or allow them to download automatically to ensure a smooth and complete gameplay experience. Once you have selected a game mode and ensured all necessary content is installed, it is time to join a server. Look for servers with a low ping, ideally under 100 milliseconds, for the smoothest experience. The game will automatically download any final server-specific files. After loading, simply follow the instructions provided by the game mode or server administrators to jump into the action and start playing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.